Because of the developing situation, very fluid ang sitwasyon, especially with the technology, I firmly believe that leaders are needed. Now, not yesterday, not tomorrow. Leaders are needed now. Before history will be written, as for us, the academics. This is the vacuum that the Reformed Philippines Party must fill. We are not followers, we are leaders. Kaya siguro ginawa ng Panginoon, nakukunti tayo rito. So again, nagtitingin na kami kanina ni Manong Billy. Pinatawa si Manong Billy kasi sabi ko, sino ka na ba? Sabi ko, para tayo abutan ng time, health issues. We rely confidence on the fact that the Reformed Philippines Party is still not. Hindi nga po kayo na lang kasama sa second